In 2025, the universe is gearing up to put on a breathtaking display of celestial phenomena, and we're all invited, from meteor showers lighting up the night sky to supermoons, eclipses, and planetary oppositions. This year will be one for the record books. Whether you're an astronomy enthusiast or simply love staring up at the stars, you won't want to miss these spectacular events. So, grab your calendar and get ready to mark down these awe-inspiring celestial occurrences. Here are the most exciting space events coming your way in 2025. Have you ever wanted to get a closer look at Mars? Well, 2025 offers the perfect opportunity. On January 16th, Mars will be in opposition. This means the planet will be directly opposite the Sun from Earth, placing it at its closest point to us for the entire year. What's exciting about this event is that Mars will be fully illuminated by the Sun, making it appear brighter than at any other time in 2025. If you have a telescope, this is your moment to glimpse some of Mars's dark surface features and even its polar ice caps. Even without one, Mars will shine brilliant in the night sky, visible all night long. Mark your calendars for March 14th, when the moon will take center stage in a total lunar eclipse. During this breathtaking event, the moon will pass completely through Earth's shadow, gradually turning a deep, rusty red. The phenomenon is often referred to as a blood moon. The eclipse will be visible throughout North America, Mexico, Central America, and South America, making it a must-see event for millions of people. The lunar eclipse will last for a few hours, with the moon becoming fully engulfed in Earth's umbra for a portion of the night. If you've never witnessed a total lunar eclipse before, 2025 is your chance. As we move into spring, we get to enjoy another meteor shower, the Lyrids meteor shower. It peaks on April 22nd and 23rd, and though it's not the most intense meteor shower of the year, it's known for its bright trails that can last several seconds. On a good night, you might see about 20 meteors per hour during the peak. These meteors originated from Comet Thatcher, can sometimes produce brilliant bursts of light. The thin crescent moon won't interfere much with visibility this year, so it should be an excellent show. The best time to watch is after midnight from a dark location. For those of you living in the southern hemisphere, the Eta Aquarids meteor shower is one of the best showers of the year. This event, which peaks between May 6th and 7th, can produce up to 60 meteors per hour. In the northern hemisphere, the rate is lower, but still, you can expect to see around 30 meteors per hour. The Eta Aquarids are produced by dust particles from the famous Halley's Comet, which was last visible from Earth in 1986. Although Halley's Comet itself won't return until 2061, the remnants of its tail give us a beautiful meteor display every year. If you're patient and find a dark spot away from the city lights, you'll get to witness this dazzling celestial show. If you love watching the full moon, 2025 has some exciting supermoons in store. The first occurs on October 7th, followed by another on November 5th, and the last on December 4th. A supermoon happens when the full moon coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth in its orbit, making it appear slightly larger and brighter in the sky. But that's not all. The year is filled with other full moons as well. Each full moon has a special name rooted in Native American tradition. For example, the February 12th snow moon symbolizes the heaviest snowfall, while the April 13th pink moon marks the blooming of wildflowers. Make sure to keep an eye out for these monthly celestial gems. On September 21st, Saturn will reach opposition, making it the best time to observe the ringed planet. Like Mars in January, Saturn will be directly opposite the Sun from Earth, meaning it will be closest to us and fully illuminated. Through the telescope, you'll get the rare opportunity to see Saturn's stunning rings in detail. Even with just a pair of binoculars, you can still spot the magnificent gas giant glowing brightly in the sky. This is a fantastic event for seasoned astronomers and beginners alike. Saturn at opposition is not to be missed. In late October, the Orionids meteor shower will grace the skies, peaking on the night of October 21st and into the morning of the 22nd. The Orionids produce up to 20 meteors per hour at their peak and are famous for their speed. These meteors are some of the fastest, entering the Earth's atmosphere at 148,000 miles per hour. The Orionids come from debris left behind by Halley's Comet, making it one of the most iconic meteor showers of the year. The absence of the moon during the peak this year means dark skies and an excellent viewing experience. November brings the Leonids meteor shower, peaking in the night of November 17th and the early morning of the 18th. This annual shower, produced by the debris of Comet Tempel-Tuttle, generally offers about 15 meteors per hour. However, every 33 years or so, the Leonids experience a cyclonic peak where hundreds of meteors can be seen per hour. Though 2025 isn't expected to be a cyclonic year, the thin crescent moon means that the skies will be dark enough to provide a clear view of the meteors. The best time to watch the Leonids is after midnight from a dark location, and with any luck, you'll catch some brilliant shooting stars. As the year draws to a close, the Geminids meteor shower will put on one of the most dazzling displays of 2025, peaking on the night of December 13th and the morning of the 14th. The Geminids are known as one of the best meteor showers to observe, producing up to 120 meteors per hour at their peak. The Geminids are famous for their multicolored meteors, which come from the debris left by an asteroid called 3200 Phaethon. Even though the second quarter moon will block some of the fainter meteors, the sheer number of bright meteors will still make for an incredible sight. 2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling year for stargazers and space enthusiasts alike. From mesmerizing meteor showers to spectacular supermoons and rare planetary oppositions, the night sky will be filled with wonders. Make sure to plan ahead, grab your binoculars or telescope, and find a dark spot to enjoy the magic of these celestial events. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just someone who loves the stars, these events promise unforgettable moments. Don't miss out on what's sure to be a cosmic journey across the universe, right from the comfort of your own backyard.